Hello everybody, another unboxing here. See Madrid. This is a nice strap, a leather strap, original Breitling for this watch. Let's see how it goes. Okay, see, from original Breitling store. Bought it online. Okay, I'm supposed to open like this. Okay, so this is the Breitling packaging. Okay, it came in a nice purse. So what do we got here? So I bought a Napa leather strap, buckle, 20 millimeters, and spring bar tool, original from Breitling. Comes with some instructions. Let's see. So came in a nice little purse. Oh, it's okay, it's good. Oh, so they already put the buckle. Look at how nice. Yes, this is original leather from Breitling. You can go online and buy it. So the most expensive part is actually the buckle. When you add the buckle, then it goes more expensive. So everything here, I think it was 250 euros for the original buckle and strap. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, how cool is this? It is by Breitling here. So you remember another unboxing that I did? It came from Longines, also came with the tool, but this one is way nicer. Way cool. Okay, so let's see if there's something else here. No, it's a nice purse, you know, to store straps. Okay, so we will install this in here, and it's gonna give a new look to this watch. So I bought the black one. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so here you go. It's gonna take some time to break. I'm probably gonna need to make another hole here with another punch. But anyway, very nice. It gives another life to the watch, especially now on winter times. Okay guys, there you go. With black leather strap. Okay guys, thank you very much. That's it.